On today's job site, deadlines are tighter, the work is more demanding, and precision is essential. And your tools can't be the thing that is slowing you down. Our new tools are ready for the challenge. For 2026, we're raising the bar for cordless. Not just in runtime, but in how the tools perform throughout the day and the confidence you feel when you pick them up. With our new TBX tabless battery technology, we are delivering real, measurable gains across the entire 18-volt system. And you'll see it in the work. 43% more sanding per charge, 68% more screws per charge, 31% more cutting per charge, and the batteries charge twice as fast. This isn't just a small step forward. This is a meaningful upgrade to how your system performs. More power to run longer, more power to work faster, and more power to build better. Let's take a look at what's behind it. Here's Josh to walk you through it.
Thanks, Matt. Our new battery technologies mean fewer interruptions and more consistent output. And it starts right here. TBX stands for Tabless Battery Extra Power. We redesigned the battery from the inside out, so more energy goes to the tool. And they will be available in two sizes, a 4 amp hour and an 8 amp hour. We're also introducing an updated 5.0 high power. It delivers 50% more power than the previous 5.0, making it a balanced everyday option for tools like Arnie planer, saws, and other demanding applications. So how do you choose? The TBX4 keeps compact tools light and agile. The 5.0 high power is your go-to all-around performer. And the TBX8 delivers maximum runtime for heavy-duty work. And here's what matters. Nothing changes in the system. Your tools and chargers still work. Same interface, more performance. We're also simplifying how you build your cordless system. To make that easier, all tools are now offered as basic versions. Pair them with the new energy sets that include 4 batteries and a charger and a sustainer, or starter sets with 2 batteries and a charger in a box. More flexibility, less compromise. But performance numbers only matter if they hold up in the real world. So we put these batteries in the hands of professionals.
The TBX gave us longer runtime, less charging time, and better performance. I'm Kevin Nicholson with Nicholson Drywall and Painting. We're drywall and painting contractors. We started incorporating Festool into our platform in summer of 2012. I like the new TBX because of the performance, the longer runtime with the light, the tool itself. We felt that it ran longer with the lighting. Being able to look at the app and see what the battery's actually doing with the tool, the performance of the tool, and the location of the tool is huge. The TBX helped us in not going to the charger as much, helped us improve our quality of sanding process, meaning the performance of the tool got better, longer runtime. I'm Kevin Nicholson from Nicholson Drywall and Painting. I'm a huge Festool supporter. The TBX has made a huge improvement to our company's performance overall.
But power only matters if it translates into precision. So let's look at a tool where repeatability defines the result. The Cordless Domino DFC 500. The Domino system has always been about strong, rotation-proof joinery, built for speed and consistency. What professionals depend on isn't just strength, it's repeatability. So we refined the platform to improve repeatability even further. It has improved column stability that is more robust and rigid to lock in settings, lockable positioning pins for rapid, rock-solid mortise indexing, an optional imperial scale that's included, and etched outlines that are more visible. These updates reduce setup variability and speed up repeatable workflows, especially on-site. And with a 4.0 TBX battery, you can achieve up to 270 mortises per charge, That's more than enough capacity for a typical job site installation. And of course, the Domino system extends beyond the tool with tenons, connectors, and accessories that expand what you can build. Cordless mobility, same precision standard. With the DFC 500, we've combined production level joinery with precision, so every joint lands exactly where it should. Joinery defines strength, edge detail defines finish, and that's where edge work becomes critical. We're introducing 2 cordless trim routers, each built for precision, each optimized for control, and both ideally paired with the compact TBX4 battery. The TBX4 keeps these tools light, balanced, and agile, exactly what you want in edge work. Both routers share the same features: brushless EC-Tech motors, micro-depth adjustment, excellent balance and center of gravity, and clean, controlled dust management. These tools are built for repeatable, finish-ready results. The OFKC 500 is the specialist. It's purpose-built for chamfers, roundovers, and flush trimming. The cutter mounts directly to the spindle, bringing the bit closer to the base opening, which increases stability and reduces tipping. The result is extremely clean, consistent edge profiles. If you take a closer look, you will see a slim, lightweight design, excellent center of gravity, micro-depth adjustment, speed control, and a dust hood with ball bearing brake attachment. The MFKC 700 expands your versatility. Built on our proven MFK platform, now cordless, it allows multiple base configurations for horizontal trimming, vertical edge work, and guided grooving. One machine, multiple setups, greater flexibility. With these routers, edge work becomes faster, cleaner, and more predictable, whether you're trimming laminate, forming edges, or dialing in fine finish details. Let's hear it from one of our test customers who has put these routers through their paces.
Having a cordless router on hand is great. You don't have to search around for an extension cord or a work table. You can bring the router to the work, and it just speeds everything up. My name is Dustin. I work for Masterpiece Building. I've been doing architectural casework and millwork for 20 years. Festool brings a level of precision and speed that wasn't around before. I've been using the MFKC for edge banding, trimming, especially inside quarters. The fact that it's cordless and that it operates in the unique horizontal position makes it so much easier to do detail work. One of the best things about Festool is its dust extraction, and these tools fit right into that category. The ergonomics and the balance of the OFKC are great. The orientation of the battery keeps the center of mass right down the middle, and just feels great to use. The unique thing about the OFKC is the bits. They're a completely different design. I've never seen anything like it, and so far they've been amazing. I'm Dustin. I work for Masterpiece Building. These cordless routers are perfect for cabinet installers and trim carpenters.
We've looked at strength in joinery. We've looked at control and edge work. Now, let's look at surface quality where precision really shows. This is the new HLC 82 cordless planer. What sets it apart is the finish it leaves behind. At the center of the HLC 82 is a single knife spiral cutter head. Compared to traditional straight knives, it reduces tear out, chatter, and visible knife marks. So in many cases, you can move directly to the next step with little or no sanding. When you're trimming doors, fitting cabinetry, or planing beams on site, the goal isn't just to remove material. It's to leave a surface ready for what comes next. Paired with the updated 5.0 high-power battery, the HLC 82 delivers corded-level performance in a balanced, cordless format. For extended runtimes during heavy stock removal, the TBX8 is ready. It has a 3¼ inch planing width with precise depth adjustment, adjustable chip ejection, up to 1-inch rabbets, 3 integrated V-grooves for chamfering, and an accessory chamfer attachment. Let's see how the HLC 82 has made a difference on a recent build.
I've used the HLC 82 planer a new construction project. We kind of go through before drywall, after we're done framing, to kind of level things up. If, around doors, if studs aren't even, we'll kind of flush them out. And having a cordless version works really nice. We're able to just carry it wherever we want, hit a few studs around door jambs or whatever to kind of clear it out. The cordless planer, it's really handy just to be able to grab it and go and not have to worry about electric. A lot of times when we're installing doors, we don't have electric on the site, so it has to be cordless. The feature on this tool that I really like is how easy it is to get to the dust port. If you're using a planer, any planer that I've ever used, they like to clog. And so this gives us a really easy access to change it. That was a really smart design. You can flip it side to side. This hooks up to the hose with a little adapter. They also have another fitting on here that you can put without this to plug it in, and it helps exhaust the chips a little bit better. This knob is really big and easy. It's got a really fine tuning ability to adjust the depth of cut. And so it's a well thought out machine. My name is Mike Belzowski, Belzowski Woodwork and Design. I'm a Festool user, and I love their new cordless Festool planer.
The HLC 82 isn't just about removing material. It's about reducing rework and keeping your build moving forward. The next step is precision cutting, where power and control meet. The TSC 55KS isn't just a saw, it's part of a cutting system. For maximum runtime in demanding cutting applications, it pairs exceptionally well with the TBX 8 battery, delivering sustained power for sheet goods, panels, countertops, and finished materials. Running on a single battery keeps the saw lighter and better balanced, while still delivering exceptional cutting performance. Inside is the latest brushless EC Tech motor, paired with the new and refined thin curved blade. The refined tooth geometry reduces resistance, improves cut quality, and increases efficiency. The result? Faster cuts, less effort, more cuts per charge. And with kickback stop, the motor shuts down almost instantly if a sudden movement is detected. It's an active layer of protection, working in the background without affecting performance. We've also updated the dust port with a lockable angle design to prevent hose interference. And for work without extraction, a collapsible dust bag stores neatly in the sustainer for easier transport. And now, let's see the TSC 55KS on the job site.
My name is Don with Hoosier Cottage Company, and I'd really recommend this team of track saws if you're looking for kind of a finer saw that you can do breaking down sheet goods, making cabinetry, cutting trim, and this guy, the HKC, for any other like miscellaneous carpentry tasks. I really like the light on the TS. I like that the new HK has more power. It seems like it's easier to cut, and the new dust bag is a great improvement on the previous model. The great benefit to cordless is just its portability, not having to search for an outlet. We can do anything, anywhere on the job site, outside, inside, wherever we need them. When I look for any tool, I am looking for precision, for reliability, portability, and dust collection. Festool, everything they put out, excels at all of that.
The TSC 55 has long been the benchmark for cordless track saws, and with this generation, we've raised the bar once again. If the TSC 55 is about precision within a cutting system, the HKC 55 is built for job site speed. This is the updated HKC 55K cordless circular saw, built for demanding job site work. Paired with the TBX 8 battery, the HKC 55 delivers sustained cutting power for framing, rafter cuts, and dimensional lumber. Improved electronics and the latest brushless motor technology deliver more cutting performance. Paired with the thin curved blade, the saw delivers up to 3 times faster cuts. Material resistance is reduced, which means smoother cuts and optimized runtime. Like the TSC, it features kickback stop technology. And it integrates seamlessly with the FSK cross-cutting rail system, allowing fast, accurate angle cuts with minimal setup. This is a saw for fast, confident cutting on site, where power and mobility matter most. Whether you're working within a precision cutting system or making fast job site cuts. This next generation of Festool cordless tools delivers more power where it counts. This is the evolution of Festool cordless. From updated battery technology for more power to run longer, more power to work faster, more power to work smarter. Every tool we've introduced is built around the same idea. More power to build better with Festool cordless. This is power you can trust, and we build it to last. That's why every Festool 18-volt battery, tool, and charger is backed by our 3-year wear and tear warranty. That's what 2026 represents for Festool cordless. And now, we want you to try it for yourself. With our 30-day risk-free guarantee, you can run any Festool tool on your job for 30 days and return it if it's not the right fit. And we're taking it even further. Festool North America is launching our biggest contest ever, built around testing Festool cordless tools and telling us how they work for you. Here's Dusty to break it all down.
Festool has partnered with Southland Trailers and Bought USA for a contest we're calling the Cordless Test Drive, which is Festool North America's largest contest ever and includes everything you see here. All the Festool tools, the Southland trailer, and the Bought USA van system on the inside. And we're giving away 2 of these, one in the United States, where it's valued at over 30,000 USD, and one in Canada, where it's valued at over 40,000 Canadian dollars. These will be the 2 main prizes, but there's also going to be a 2nd through 10th prize in both Canada and the United States. The tools are divided into 2 categories. The first category is all the new tools that will be released in 2026. The second group of tools will be ones that have already been out for a while and are time tested and proven. All these tools will then be packed inside this 7x16 Royal Cargo by Southland Trailers, which will be safely organized and secured inside the trailer with the Bought trailer system. 9 other winners will win the TSC 55KS track saw and 1400 guide rail. Now here's how to enter the contest. You register a Festool cordless tool, then after you've used it for a bit, you submit a review of your honest opinion of the tool. If you don't already own a warranty-eligible Festool tool, you can right now take advantage of their 30-day risk-free trial, which means you can go out and buy one of the Festool tools, try it out, and if you don't like it, return it for a full refund. For full details on the contest, you can visit the link in the description. The contest opens soon, so mark your calendars, and we can't wait to hear about the experiences you've had with the Festool tools.
At Festool, we don't bring out new tools unless they move your system forward. And everything you've seen today is built with that in mind. Performance and durability on the job. Tools that work together the way they should. With this next step in our battery platform and the continued expansion in our cordless system, you're getting more power to build better. Thanks for joining us today. We can't wait to see what you build next.